Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Dodge Durango. Stock number is A7773. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires, inside cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Second row and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Rear backup sensors and a camera, and this Durango is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside audio, Bluetooth and cruise controls, full stereo, dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Durango on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.